Okay, Robert is trying to ride the helicopter.
Child unattended while riding the ride.
You having fun, Robert?
I'm having a lot of fun.
Hey, you're gonna post this to YouTube.
Oh, of course we'll post this on YouTube, because Robert,
I'm gonna get stuck.
stick it out on this side. Say hi. Say hi to the camera, Robert.
Oh, look, is it playing Danger Zone?
I think it is.
I'm playing Danger Zone.
You in the danger zone, Robert?
Playing in the Danger Zone. Whee!
Yeah, we're not supposed to leave our child unattended.
Make the noises.
That's what the car sounds like. What does the helicopter sound like, Robert?
It'll be on YouTube later today. Come on, Robert, make it. Mom, join us. Ride the horse.
Like, get up on the horse.
I thought the horse was gonna play Danger Zone.
Maybe it plays like Blazing Saddles or something. The light goes, but it's too bright out here.
Mommy, join me in the helicopter. Alright, I'm bored. No.
Oh, now he's bored.
Sit there.
Can you get out?
No, up and out.
Aw, yay.